Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today we're going to make Easter candy bar wrappers, and they're so adorable, and I've been working on them all morning. This is what I created, so these should definitely be in my Cricut Design Space, so I'll leave the link below. What I did is I did a square, and the dimensions are 5.239, which is width, by 5.519. And I did it with score lines and without, and I actually think it's easier without score lines, so I'm going to just leave that. I inserted some cute verbiage and a bunny, and then stay tuned because you're going to see something really cool what we do to the candy bar wrappers. So we are ready to go ahead and hit make it. And this is going to be a print and cut, so I'm going to send it to the color printer, and then we're going to go ahead and place it on the mat and cut it. When you send it to the printer, you do want to leave the bleed on, and we're going to go ahead and hit print. So we just printed the first one, and I'm going to go ahead and print the second so that we can cut them all at the same time. Okay, so this is going to be the easiest project. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to fold it. And we're going to do the same on this side. So it'll look just like this. And before we put it on the candy bar, all I did was I took a cotton ball and I just pulled some off, just like a small little section. So we are going to use that. So now what we're going to do is take the two cotton balls that we are going to use, and we're going to put a little bit of glue right here on the bunny's tail. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this one. So this is what we have so far. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so now we are going to add the candy bar. I'm going to use double-sided tape. Let me cut off a little bit of it. I'm cutting off like this much. And let's turn the candy bar that way. Okay, and I'm going to just place this on this side. Okay, so I put the double-sided tape right here. Okay, and we are going to attach it right here. What do you guys think? Isn't that so cute? And it was super easy to make. So let's go ahead and do the other one as well. I'm going to place the candy bar that side down, and I'm just using a little strip. And I'm placing the strip here. And let's go ahead and take this off. And then we're going to close this. What do you guys think? Do you like this? I will leave it in my Cricut Design Space, and since I created these, I don't think there'll be any issue. Hopefully not, and if you try and it doesn't work, let me know and I'll see what I can do, but I think it should be fine. So let me know what you guys think, and as always, thanks for watching. Comment below, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.